everyone! Welcome to Blinky's Big Book of Happy Greetings! Are you ready to say hello? Hello, friends! Today, we are learning how to say hello to everyone! What do we say when we meet someone new? Let us find out! A big wave and a smile makes everyone feel very happy. Follow me. We have so many friends to greet today.
Look, it is Mrs. B. She looks a little bit busy.
Sometimes I feel shy.
But saying hello is always a good idea.
I will take a deep breath and use my brave voice.
Here we go. Let us see if she hears me.
Hello, Mrs. B. How are you doing today? Look, she is wiggling hello back. Greetings make everyone smile.
My name is Blinky. It is nice to meet you.
When we leave, we say goodbye. Bye-bye, Mrs. B.
In the morning, we can say good morning. Try it.
In the afternoon, we say good afternoon. It sounds so nice.
Before we sleep, we say good night. Sleep tight, friends.
With close friends, we can give a big high five. Yeah!
Or maybe a cool fist bump. Boop. That is a fun greeting. A big hug is a greeting full of love for family. Sometimes we shake hands. It is a very polite way to greet.
Can you point to the friend you want to greet first?
Let us say it together. 1, 2, 3. Hello! Now wave your hands like me. Wave them high and low. What greeting am I doing now? That is right, a hug. At the park, we say hi to all our furry friends. In the store, we say hello to the nice shopkeeper. At school, we greet our teachers with a big smile. At a party, we say hi everyone to all our friends. We can even say hello to the giant blue whale.
Hello! Oh! My five!
Hello, space! There are friends to meet everywhere in the stars. The whole world is full of greetings and happy smiles. Remember, we say hello when we first see a friend. Tell them your name and give them a big, happy smile. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening are all great too. And do not forget to say goodbye when it is time to go. I had so much fun greeting everyone with you today.
You are a great friend. See you very, very soon. Goodbye for now. Keep on waving and smiling.